Someone gave me a site for me to put some images on the site, and then I found out that the images, when I put them and then the server respins, all the images are lost. So you can see that the images on the screen, they no longer exist, and this is actually because we are using a free tier of render, and then there's no disk space available for free tier. So when the server respins, the images are being lost. So on a very normal day, I would want to go and edit every image. Since I have the admin login here, I want to go and edit every image, but there are more than how many products here, and I cannot edit over 100 products. It's going to be very tiresome. So I'm going to write Python scripts that will help me to automate these tasks faster than what a normal human being is going to do in less than 3 minutes. Let's go. So I'm currently in the admin section, and then this is how they handle their stuff. So you can he do edit his products every time. These are his products, and then you just click on edit, and then it's going to take him to the next page where you can edit anything. Scrolling down, it's going to come and choose image every time. So let's write a Python script that will go to the next browser, the next tab, and then download the image, and then come back and put it inside there based on the image that we downloaded. So my development environment is set. I'm using VS Code for this project. I'm done writing the automation scripts for the site. This is the scripts we wrote for the website. Everything going into another page and then coming out. Then this is the download folder where all our products are going to be downloaded. There's nothing inside, and this is our browser cookies. So let's go ahead to run the website. So the script is running. And this is our automated browser window. We are logging in. And it's switching browser windows right now. And since typing inside. No hands on the mouse. Okay, switches to the image tab, scrolls a bit, and then download the image. Comes back here, edit, scrolls down, and the image is being updated. It just does that done through for each of the products. So assuming Jambo and found the product, it just does that because the script is running till it's not for the 500 products. So this is the second product, the charging one. And this is our website. It's still updating, the code is still running, so you can see that some product images are being added. If I refresh the site, more images are going to be added, so you can see that the code is still updating. So this is it. You have tasks on your browser that you love to automate, filling in forms, saving images, doing different tasks on the web that you love to automate, and you know that it's going to save your time. You can do that to check my bio and click the link to my Fiverr profile and make your orders. Peace.